The boiling points at atmospheric pressure of HF, H2S, ammonia can be arranged in the following order. We know hydrogen bonded to an electronegative element can form bond with another electronegative element. So, the electronegative elements which we generally consider in hydrogen bonding is fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. If hydrogen is bonded to any of these three elements, that hydrogen can form hydrogen bond. So, in HF there is hydrogen bonding and in NH3 there is hydrogen bonding. In H2S there is no hydrogen bonding. So, these three are covalent compounds. In covalent compounds, the intermolecular forces are van der Waals forces. Along with van der Waals forces, in case of HF and ammonia, there is hydrogen bonding. So, HF and ammonia should boil at high temperature compared to H2S. Okay. So, among HF and ammonia, fluorine being a more electronegative element, HF can form hydrogen bonded to fluorine can form stronger hydrogen bonding compared to hydrogen bonded to nitrogen. Because fluorine is more electronegative, what happens in hydrogen bonding? The fluorine being more electronegative pulls the electron towards itself. Hydrogen gets partial positive charge. This partial positively charged hydrogen will be in search of electron pair. Because it is an electron deficient, it is positively charged, it will be in search of lone pair. That lone pair will be there on more electronegative element. Fluorine 3 lone pairs, oxygen 2 lone pairs, nitrogen 1 lone pair. So, hydrogen, the positively charged hydrogen will form a bond with fluorine. So, if the element to which hydrogen is bonded is more electronegative, the intensity of positive charge will be more. And so, strength of the hydrogen bond also will be strong. So, HF forms strong hydrogen bonding compared to ammonia. So, boiling point of HF will be more than ammonia, more than H2S. That should be the order for boiling point. HF more than H2S, HF more than ammonia, more than H2S. This should be your answer.